Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have the 2006 Pontiac GTO from the Factory Fresh Series, number 5 of 10. It's got those skinny wheels in the front and the wheelie bar on the back, showing its power. Factory Fresh, 2020 copyright. No real damage to the package, but we're going to get it out and free it up anyway, because we like playing with our cars. Looks like a good opening. Wheel spin. Little spin on that side. This is a really nice looking vehicle with painted headlights, painted grille, Pontiac sign, Pontiac GTO 2006. See how it rolls on that track. It rolls well. And it rolls cool backwards also. Oh. Seems to crash when it hits that Super Bowl. Oh, I threw that one up there wrong. Alright, ready? Ooh, but it came back. Oh. Yeah, not one of the best comebackers. There we go. There's a nice comeback. Bounce it off that wheelie bar and it's not too hard. And that will work. And that's 2 Super Bowls I have on the end of my track, in case you didn't know that. Thank you to everybody that tuned in and checked out this 2006 Pontiac GTO from the 2021 Hot Wheels Factory Fresh set. All metal on top and plastic on the bottom. There's your wheelie bar right there. Fat wheels in the back and skinny wheels in the front. Now if you look at the wheels, sometimes you can find a little piece right there. And then you look here, and there's the other one when they were molded. Now those, some guys file those down when they're racing. Kind of like having a bump on your tire. Driving is on the driver's side. It's all black inside with the stick shift. Thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.